Hi students, so today I'm going to explain the MCA review playlist. You can find the playlist on Schoology at the way bottom of the page. And when you click in, you'll notice two things. You have a playlist and then you have your practice quizzes. So first let's talk about the playlist. You each will get your own copy of this playlist. It looks like this. So there are several things that I'll need to explain about this playlist. First, it is very long. Don't freak out. It's very long. First thing that I need to tell you is that these activities here in the white sections, you'll see that there are sections. There's a plot element section. There's a literary devices section. There's a nonfiction section, and then finally there's a figurative language and poetry section. Okay, so there's the activities that I've put up here for you to practice the skills, and then there are quizzes at the end of each section. Now, all of these activities here are optional. So it says, based on your level of knowledge or how much you remember, choose from the optional review activities listed for each unit of study. Okay, so first thing is that these are optional activities. However, you will need to take a quiz at the end of the section. So if you take a quiz, if you just try to take the quiz first and you don't meet the given score, which I believe is 7, you have to get a 7 out of 10, or you cannot move on. Okay, so then if you did not achieve that 7 out of 10, you could come back and review these activities in order to get you there to that 7 out of 10. Okay, also there are brain breaks at the end of each section. Please do not spend your time watching these. These are meant for just to be watched once. Now you have, let's say you have completed the activities that you feel you need to practice in this section, and now you're ready to take the quiz. You need to hop back over to Schoology. You need to go to the MCA review folder, and then you need to click on practice quizzes. So see, there's a quiz for each section of study. Now you have to do these in order, and you have to score at least a 7, or you will not be able to take the rest of these quizzes. These quizzes are what is due. This is what is due on March 28th. Okay, March 28th, you have to have all of these completed. And you will have some class time, say we complete a test or there's some time at the end of class for whatever reason. You will have some time in class, and you will have the rest of today to work on this. But a lot of this will end up being homework, okay? Kind of like your math packets that you have to do. These are required and they're due on the 28th, okay? So back to the playlist. When you finish the quiz, when you score the right amount of points on the quiz, you can come back and make sure that you type in the date that you completed that quiz, and then you can move on to the next section. Okay, let's say that you complete everything. If you finish all these steps, you can submit your copy of the playlist. So make sure that you submit this on Schoology, and then you may read independently or work on the enrichment activities that are listed at the bottom of the playlist. So here are the enrichment activities, okay? So if you prefer to silently read, that is okay. Or you can volunteer to be a co-teacher and help me help students in the room to be successful. Okay, so here are your enrichment activities. And remember, your quizzes are on Schoology. And these are due on the 28th. If you have any questions, you can email or you can ask Gowdy. Maybe she'll be able to answer your questions for you. But I hope that this was helpful. Okay.